Hello everybody, this is PillarTrading.com and we are doing our first video for 2010, back with you after the Christmas break, looking to get in on the good trades when we can, the US dollar versus the Japanese yen. What we are looking at now at this chart is the daily chart trading 8204, and we have still got up those levels from before we left for the Christmas break. What has happened since then is going to dictate how this market plays out over the next few days. What we saw, if we zoom in here a little bit closer to these levels, what we saw before the Christmas break was a resistance area starting those 84.20s and a support level. This was going to be the battle at 82.30. What ended up happening is we got a initial response, came down, touched to basically the pip, bounced back up, and again saw resistance at that exact same level. Had this move finished at its target 85.40, that would have broken out of the short setup. That would have meant we were going to climb all the way back up to these 90.70s. Well, that didn't happen. What happened? We saw resistance. The short-term bulls got bullied out of the market. No more. The bears batted them down, broke out of that area, and we have since seen that level retrace back up. Now, what does that mean for short-term bears and mid-term bears? Where are they likely to see some response? Well, we're going to have to go into the 15-minute chart, remembering that this target up here at 84.20 is all the way down, breaking lows at 78.30. 78.30 is going to be that area where we're going to see initial support from short-term bears taking profit. So now, remembering that, we go down to the 15-minute time frame. We're going to take a quick look at what's happening on the bullish side. Right now, counter-trend bulls picking this thing back up at the most recent support area, which was at 81.70. That has a target up here at 82.53, so anticipating further covering as we come up into. Now, this is not buying from the bulls. Maybe there are some short-term counter-trend bulls out there trying to ride this thing up to the next down level at 82.70, but right now what you see is short covering as all these people that were late to the party, shorts in here, that thought the market was going to continue to fall. Right now they're getting squeezed up, pressure becomes too great, they eventually buy back their contracts, stops are hit, and that's where we see those large bursts of moves. Okay, now that subsides, we get a pullback. This is when the short-term bulls step into the market and decide to pick this thing back up and continue to put pressure on those short-term bears. So again, the target right now on this bullish move is up here 82.53. If that trades, anticipate us seeing a reaction at 82.70 that's in line with both the long-term and the mid-term trend. Remember, that mid-term trend has us breaking lows at the moment. Should we continue to move up in a series of moves, anticipate if we see 83.13 and above trading, we're going to have to go back to the daily chart, and you will not see resistance again until that 84.20. All these people that have gotten into the market are going to be squeezed out, and it's going to be this last line of defense at 84.20. But right now, looking for that target down here to fill on the midterm trend, 78.50s. All the stars are aligning, so hopefully it's a good start to a great year. If you've got any questions or comments about the video that we're doing now or any of the videos that we do, please stop by the website, www.pillartrading.com. Leave us a question, leave us a comment. We try to get to those as soon as we can. Hopefully everyone had a great Christmas break, and we are back at it for the rest of 2011.